right here with Sparrow's Nest, and welcome to my channel, Simple Living with DIY projects and delicious dishes. So today I'm going to be giving you a tour of how I decorated for Valentine's Day. Now normally I kind of show you like the process of me decorating. This time I'm not going to do that. I just didn't have time to do that, and so I'm just going to take you around the house and show you how I decorated for Valentine's Day, and hope that that gives you some ideas on how you can decorate. I also have a bit of sad news for you. I went to Hobby Lobby to get my Valentine's Day stuff, and that's where I usually get most of my... What the heck? My cat is kind of crazy. She's like psycho. She's just running around. Anyways, yeah, so I went to Hobby Lobby and I noticed that their Valentine's Day section was so much smaller, and I asked them like, hey, are you guys gonna get anything else? And the girl told me that this is actually the last year that Hobby Lobby is gonna be doing like the small holidays. So they're not gonna have St. Patrick's Day stuff, they're not gonna have Halloween stuff, they're not gonna have Valentine's Day stuff next year. So I am totally bummed. I get most of my stuff from there, so just to let you know, this is going to be the last year to pick up your stuff from Hobby Lobby for the small holidays, so that's kind of a bummer. But so this year, I went all over the place to find Valentine's Day stuff, because everywhere just had like a little bit of Valentine's Day stuff. So I got my stuff at Marshall's, I went to TJ Maxx, I got some stuff at Goodwill. I already had some stuff at home, luckily, and I got some stuff at Target. So my stuff comes from all over this year, and I will share with you as I'm showing you all my decor where I got everything from. Alright guys, let's get started, and I'll give you a tour of how I decorated for Valentine's Day. And before you go anywhere else, make sure you click that subscribe button and that little bell right next to it so you never miss a video. First, I'm going to show you my entry table Valentine's Day decor. I got this cute love sign at TJ Maxx. I already had those two little birds. I got those at the dollar spot section at Target last year. Those two mason jars and those flower balls on top of them I made, and you can find the link to those tutorials in the description box below. This Be Kind picture frame I found at TJ Maxx. This wood lettering that says sweet I found at Target last year. And this frame with the hearts inside of it, I actually made that. I made that last year, and you can find the link for that in the description box below. This home is where the heart is I found at Big Lots this year. The little white lantern next to it I actually found at Goodwill this year for about $1, and I just filled it with some cute hearts. And lastly, this pink little, I don't know what it's called, but I found that at Target this year in the dollar spot. I also found this beautiful tassel garland at Target. I found that this year at Target. There were a ton of different garlands and banners at Target this year. I think I saw one of these also at Hobby Lobby that looked exactly like this. I was so stoked to find this little two-tiered tray in the dollar spot this year. It was only $5 at Target, and I just filled it with some stuff I already had around the house. And this frame I just made. I just painted a frame, and I found this wood heart last year in the dollar spot. I just took some ribbon and I tied it on the top of the frame. I found this little bag of red heart scatter. I found that at Hobby Lobby. This little love wooden sign I found actually at the thrift store. And I already had this Godiva bear, and I just stuck him in a basket I had, and I already had those wooden balls. This Valentine's Day decorative towel I already had from last year. I found that at the dollar spot at Target. I found these fake plants at Marshall's, and this Home Sweet Home sign for $3 at Target in the dollar spot, and these string lights in the dollar spot also at Target. And last, I decorated my 2-tier wood tray that I decorate for every holiday. I found those teal mugs and those coasters in the Target dollar spot. I love teal, so of course I had to pick up those mugs, and I just stuck some flowers inside of them, and I completed the look by putting my favorite little stuffed animals on the top. Now I'm going to show you the stuff they had at the Target dollar spot this year. I often shop at the dollar spot, so I always take some video when I'm there and they are doing the holiday stuff. So they didn't have as much as I would have liked this year. They had some baking stuff, some sprinkles, candy molds. You see there's like Valentine's Day whisks. They always have good wood decor. I really like the wood decor signs, and they're worth it. It's only $3, so it's a great bargain. Here is a serving tray they have. I really like this one. I almost got it. Here are some wood hearts, some I love you more than brunch. They had a whole bunch of this I love you more than brunch. They had some little heart plates, which you'll see here in a second. Here they are. So they had a lot of that stuff. If you have a significant other and you want to make them brunch and make it all cutesy wootsy, Sam wanted to show me this serving fork he got, or he liked. Here we have some more stuff. We got your string lights. Target always has great string lights. I am obsessed. I buy them all the time. They had some Scrabble letters, like if you have those word lettering, those letter boards. And here is some wood banners. These are really adorable. I love their wood banners. I would have gotten this if I actually had somebody, you know, that I had a love story with, but I don't. Here's some candy jars and some metal heart tin things. I got these teal mugs, and they had coral mugs. I might go back and get the coral mugs. I really like those. And we got some I love you signs, hanging signs if you have someone that you love. And some little purse thingies. I don't know what you would use those for, but okay. And here's some more string lights. I got those because I'm obsessed. And a couple more banners. Target's always great for holiday banners. This Hello Love one is really cute. And I was so stoked to find this. I missed getting these when they had them for Christmas. Little 2-tier trays that you can decorate. Debbie, what are you doing?